BD.MS tutorials. Working with Microsoft packages.
Hello viewers, you are welcome to today's episode of BDMS tutorials. Today, we'll be looking at typing musical notes, typing special characters for Igbo and Yoruba language, and preparing character maps for the special fonts. At the end of the video, what we are going to do will look like this. In typing musical notes, you need special characters and you need special fonts. These notes are like codes when you type them. But we do not need to type using the conventional fonts like Times New Roman or Arial. If we want to type musical notations, we just have to get fonts that depict these musical notations. What I did is I went and downloaded a font and installed into my computer, my system, and that font is called Music Quick. Once you install it in your font in MS Word or any word processor, it will be there as font, and you just need to go down. When you want to pick or detect this particular note, you type music and it comes out, or you go down to where you have M, and where you have M, you will not see it in words but in symbols or code. So this is my musical note. This is my musical font. When you click it, it will be written as Music Quick. This is my musical font. So there's a particular note I picked from a textbook, and when you type it, it comes out like this. When you type it, it comes out like this. But this does not make sense to any man. It looks like code. But do you know that if I select this now and I go to Music Quick and click, see as I move through the font, you see how they change, but as I get to Music Quick, it changed to musical notes. So this itself, when typed with the special keyboard, will give you this. Let me repeat it again. This is what we had before, but this is what was typed. So I could type this in music. All I need to do is just say go to the font and click my music font and start typing. Now when you type in musical fonts, the characters become smaller. Like here we have the font size 24, so it is already for size 24. So I start typing. So this is what I typed. If I highlight this and convert this musical notation to something like Times New Roman, you'll see what I type as in Times New Roman. Let us do that. So this is what I typed. These are the characters I typed that gave us the former musical notation. So for this to make sense to us, we need a character map that will show us the different characters for each keys on the keyboard. What I did for me to understand this is to prepare a character map for myself. This is the character map for the music font. Like I said earlier, I downloaded a musical font and installed in my system. So anytime I type 1, I get this. Anytime I type exclamation mark, I get this. Anytime I need space, I type the equal sign. So this is the character map. In order for me to be able to type musical notes, I just need to know what key I need to type to press to get these different notations. When typing words in Igbo and Yoruba, you type with special characters. For instance, the Igbo alphabet looks like something like this. These are the letters in the Igbo alphabet, special letters. So for me to type in these special letters, all I need to do is also to download a font and type these letters. So I'll type like this. There are special letters that you need. So I am already typing in the Igbo and Yoruba font. So there are some letters, there are some English letters, there are some letters in the English alphabet that are not there in these languages. For instance, we have this. We also have this. We have this. We also have this. And this. All these are special letters. So what do I do to be able to be conversant with these letters and also type smoothly, to flow smoothly without spending so much time looking for these characters? What I did was, with this particular special font installed in my system, which you can also get in the internet, I prepared a character map. So this is the character map for the each keys. If you look at it, for each keys in both Igbo and Yoruba, if you look at it, it looks as if there is not much difference. But when you go down and look, and you find out that anytime you type Z, you get this letter. You type X, you get this letter. You type the close, when you type the greater than, you get this letter, and so on and so forth. However, there are still some letters that are not there, but these letters, you can get them in the special characters installed with your system. So all these letters I highlighted in yellow are those letters that are not common to both the Igbo and the Yoruba, but they are there only in Igbo language. So if you want to build your own character map, all you need to do is just go to the symbol, click the symbol, click more symbols, and type Times New Roman, and all will come out, and you'll see those special characters that are unusual. They are not common, but you need them when typing, and they are all here. So with this, you can type freely in Microsoft Word without having any problem. If you really like this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel.